nothing.
Hey, man. All right, man. I'm gonna show everybody how to test a solenoid. Now this works for 12 volt, 36, 48, 72, 10,000 volt, whatever you got, man. Same principle. I'm gonna show you how to test it. So what you want to do first of all, on your battery pack, you want to find your main positive and your main negative here. And you can tell by your mains because this wire is not connected to no other battery. You can see this here is connected to this battery. This wire is connected to this battery, and it keeps going until you get to the end here, and this is not connected. All right. So like I said, the same principle for any solenoid. All right. So what you want to do is turn your voltmeter to ohms. Now we got the big dog back. So what I'm gonna do, I just like that one because it got a clamp on it. So I'm gonna take it and put it on here to my flashlight. You'll see it. And keep going until it beeps. And you can hear it. All right, what I'm gonna do, take the two battery wires. Now it doesn't matter which one's your hot, which one is your ground. These two activate it. These two carry the load across. So you have to have voltage here in order for voltage to travel from here to here. So what we're gonna do, put the lead there, put it on the ground over here. All right. My other lead here, I'm gonna take it and put it on the hot. Now this is a 36 volt solenoid, so I'm only gonna give it 32 volts. What you got? That's a hot there. All right, so take care. All right, now you hear that? I'm touching the wire. All right, you can hear it clicking. All right. So what you want to do, take your voltmeter, put it here, like this. All right. So whenever I activate this wire, when I touch it, the meter should beep. Here, now let's do it. I'm going to engage it again. I can still know here it's bad. This is a you have on the shelf, and look, it works that time. Now it don't work. Now it don't work. Let me gauge a couple times. All right, now it works. But whatever you do, don't touch them two outside posts together. Let's try it one more time, man.
You'll kill yourself.
But you just see fireworks.
Now it's working.
All right, but now you can see how to test it. If it doesn't beep when you cross there, then that means the solenoid is no good. This solenoid, I'm gonna take and throw it in the trash because it works when it wants to. But that's how you can test a solenoid, man. All right, go to Golf Cart Whisperer on YouTube. You can find out how to troubleshoot the controller, anything, man. Stay tuned, man.